In the realm of household chores, the battle against dust, dirt, and grime can often feel like an endless struggle. As technology advances, however, so does our ability to tackle these tasks more efficiently. One such innovation that has caught the attention of many homeowners is the Proscenic P11, a versatile cleaning tool designed to revolutionize the way we maintain our living spaces. At first glance, the Proscenic P11 may appear to be just another stick vacuum, but beneath its sleek exterior lies a powerhouse of functionality. Equipped with both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, this device offers a comprehensive solution to keeping floors pristine with minimal effort. The Proscenic P11 boasts a modern and ergonomic design that is both visually appealing and practical. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces, while the 180-degree swivel steering ensures maximum agility. Whether you're tackling hardwood floors, carpets, or tiles, the P11's versatile design effortlessly adapts to any surface. The build quality of the Proscenic P11 is exceptional, with premium materials used throughout its construction. From the sturdy vacuum head to the durable mop attachment, every component exudes durability and reliability. Even after extended use, the P11 maintains its performance, proving to be a long-lasting investment for any household. When it comes to suction power, the P11 doesn't disappoint. With a robust 400 watts brushless motor and 35 kilopascal strong suction, this device effortlessly lifts dirt, dust, and debris from even the deepest crevices of your floors. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, crumbs, or scattered litter, the P11 tackles it all with ease, leaving your surfaces immaculately clean. One of the standout features of the P11 is its ability to transition seamlessly between 3 different cleaning modes to help you better conserve battery. Whether you need a quick once-over or a deep clean, the P11 offers multiple power settings to suit your needs. This versatility ensures that you can achieve optimal results with minimal effort, regardless of the task at hand. The only downside is that it doesn't automatically sense the need to shift from low to high power. You need to do it manually. In addition to its impressive vacuuming capabilities, the Proscenic P11 also doubles as a highly effective mop. Unlike traditional mop attachments that often leave floors streaky or poorly cleaned, the P11's innovative design ensures thorough and efficient mopping every time. The key to the P11's mopping prowess lies in its unique mop attachment, which features a built-in water reservoir and absorbent mop pad. As the vacuum glides over the floor, the mop pad releases water, ensuring that dirt and grime are lifted away with ease. The result is sparkling clean floors that are free from unsightly stains and residue. While the mop valiantly battles dirt and stains, it struggles to completely eradicate them, often leaving behind stubborn remnants. Additionally, its inability to regulate water flow leads to unwanted puddles and an excess of moisture, complicating the cleaning process. One of the most commendable aspects of the Proscenic P11 is its user-friendly design. Unlike cumbersome vacuum cleaners that require constant adjustment and maneuvering, the P11 streamlines the cleaning process with intuitive features and controls. The P11 features a diverse array of tools, including a 2-in-1 crevice tool ideal for cleaning narrow gaps and spaces, along with a dusting brush designed to swiftly eliminate surface dust from objects. You can also experience the effortless bin emptying with the one-touch mechanism. With just a single click, all dust and debris are swiftly removed, eliminating the need for manual contact. The addition of LED lights further enhances the user experience, illuminating dark corners and under furniture to ensure thorough cleaning in every pass. Additionally, the P11's collapsible design makes it easy to store in compact spaces, eliminating the hassle of bulky vacuum cleaners cluttering up your home. Another area where the Proscenic P11 shines is in its battery life and maintenance requirements. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, the P11 delivers an extended 50-minute runtime on a single charge, allowing you to clean large areas without interruption, and it takes 4 to 5 hours to fully recharge the battery. When it comes to maintenance, the P11 is a breeze to care for, thanks to its removable and washable components. From the dustbin to the mop pad, every part of the P11 can be easily cleaned and maintained, ensuring optimal performance for years to come. In conclusion, the Proscenic P11 sets a new standard for household cleaning appliances with its innovative design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning your entire home, the P11 is up to the task, delivering exceptional results with minimal effort. With its versatile capabilities and durable construction, the Proscenic P11 is more than just a vacuum cleaner. It's a complete cleaning solution that transforms the way you maintain your living space. Say goodbye to tedious chores and hello to sparkling clean floors, courtesy of the Proscenic P11. You got it. So that wraps up our review of the Proscenic P11, one of the top vacuum cleaners on the market this year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos.